In today's video, we are going to cover how to reassign a task in Clio Manage. Begin by opening Clio Manage and signing into your account if you are not already in the workspace. Once you are on the main screen, look to the left sidebar where the main navigation menu appears. In that menu, click Tasks to move into the area where your firm's task list is stored. After the Tasks page opens, take a moment to locate the task you want to reassign. Depending on how your list is organized, you may need to scan through the visible tasks until you find the correct one. Make sure you open the task you actually want to update, especially if there are several with similar names or due dates. When you have found the right task, click on it to open its details. This will bring you into the task record, where you can review the current information before making any changes. You are looking for the option that allows you to modify the task settings. From the Task Details view, click Edit Task. This switches the task from a read-only view into an editable form. Once the form is open, look for the Assign To field. That field controls which firm user is currently responsible for the task. Click into the Assign To field to open the drop-down menu. In that list, select the firm user you want to assign the task to. Take a second to confirm that you are choosing the correct user, since this change updates who is listed as responsible for that task moving forward. If you need to make any other updates while you are already editing the task, you can do that here before saving. For example, you might review the task details that are visible in the edit form and adjust anything else that needs attention. If no other changes are needed, leave the remaining fields as they are and continue. Once the assignment is set to the correct firm user and any other needed edits are complete, click Save Task. Saving applies the reassignment and updates the task record with the new owner. After the save is complete, the Task Details page will reflect the change, and the selected user will now be shown in the assignment field. If you are reviewing multiple tasks, you can return to the tasks list afterward and repeat the same process for any others that need to be reassigned. The key point is that the reassignment happens from within the task details after selecting Edit Task and updating the Assign To field. The task is now reassigned to the selected firm user in Clio Manage.